Are you having trouble with add friends on the Snapchat app? If you can't add friends, friends requests aren't going through, or the add friends option isn't working as expected, these troubleshooting steps may help. In this video, I will show you how to fix add friends on Snapchat app. First thing you have to do is to go to Snapchat. Here in this page, you will go to profile. You will click on this window here. As you see, you will find add friends. You will tap here, and then you can choose any friends you want here. You can add many friends, as you see. So this is how it works. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.